Tom. I'm here live at the Porter Sanford III Performing Arts and Community Center, where they're celebrating the life of Wilson Pickett. The line's getting pretty long here for tonight's show. They're having a 5 o'clock showing. We're going to step inside and capture the essence of the music. Known as the exciting Wilson Pickett, he has over 50 years of music captured here. Born in Alabama, Pickett began his career as a gospel artist, a soul singer in the churches. But he blossomed into a profound musical legend. With hits like Mustang Sally and Hey Jude, he's captured the hearts of many. But some say he's just a regular guy.
You know, you'd be surprised. He was just a regular dad. You know, I got to know my dad instead of a rock star, and I appreciated every moment of it.
Pickett died at the tender age of 64, but his music still lives on today. And that's just a brief snippet of the life and musical legend, Wilson Pickett. We're here live at the Porter Sanford III Performing Arts and Community Center. I'm Megan Rivers for CUTV. Back to you, Tom.